Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, your #1 destination for the world's hottest rides, future automotive tech, and deep dive reviews you won't find anywhere else. If you love iconic machines, cutting-edge engineering, and the stories behind legendary builds, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because today, we're talking about something truly massive for Honda fans worldwide. Let's jump right in now. The motorcycle world is buzzing with one question. Is the legendary Honda VFR750R the RC30 making a comeback in 2026? This bike isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of Honda's racing dominance, engineering brilliance, and performance heritage. And if Honda really brings it back, it would be one of the biggest nostalgia shocks in modern motorcycling. So, what sparked this wildfire? Across the internet, enthusiasts and creators have been hyping a possible 2026 RC30 return, imagining what a modern recreation of this legend could look like: sharper design, modern tech, and updated performance while keeping that iconic V4 soul alive. And honestly, the excitement makes sense. The original RC30 from the late 80s wasn't just a superbike, it was the superbike that changed everything on the track. But here's where things get interesting. Honda hasn't officially confirmed a brand new 2026 production RC30. The company has, however, drawn massive attention by reviving the RC30 name through their RC30 Forever program, where they're recreating original parts to restore and preserve the classic models. And that move alone has fans dreaming. If Honda is reviving parts, could they revive the whole machine next? Now let's imagine what a modern 2026 RC30 could realistically be. We're talking a lightweight frame with Honda's newest composite tech, a next-gen V4 engine inspired by the Fireblade's performance DNA, modern electronics like cornering ABS, IMU-based traction control, launch control, and ride-by-wire modes, a redesigned aerodynamic body, slim, sharp, and dripping with RC30 heritage. If Honda built it, this thing could redefine the retro superbike market instantly. And let's be honest, Honda knows exactly how passionate RC30 fans are. The original bike won races everywhere. It dominated World Superbike, and today it sells for insane prices at auctions. Bringing it back, even as a limited edition model, would instantly shake up the motorcycle world. So, is Honda really resurrecting the RC30? Right now, there's no official confirmation. But the hype, the concept builds, and Honda's own renewed interest in the RC30 legacy are keeping the fire alive. And if Honda wants to make 2026 historic, there's no better way than reviving the king. What do you think? Should Honda bring back the RC30 as a modern superbike? Would you want a retro-styled V4 beast with modern tech? Or should the RC30 be remembered as a legend from its own era? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading every one of them. Thanks for watching Smart Drive Hub. Stay tuned for more legendary machines, upcoming releases, and the hottest updates from the automotive world. See you in the next ride.